Introducing the ultimate solution for your gardening needs. Our premium PVC garden hose. Crafted with precision and innovation, every hose undergoes a rigorous production process to ensure durability, flexibility, and unmatched performance. Let's take you behind the scenes. Starting with high-quality PVC compound, our hoses are extruded into seamless tubes, ensuring optimal water flow and kink resistance. Next, skilled technicians carefully wind the hose onto automated reels, maintaining consistent tension to prevent sagging or damage during storage. To safeguard against transportation stress, each hose end is sealed using high-temperature technology, creating an airtight barrier that prevents flattening or collapse. This step guarantees your hose arrives in pristine condition, ready for immediate use. For added versatility, we offer custom fittings tailored to your requirements. From standard 3/4-inch threaded connectors to quick-release couplings, every hose is precision-engineered to fit seamlessly with your existing equipment. Our brass and corrosion-resistant fittings ensure leak-free connections, even under high pressure. Before shipment, each hose is quality-checked for strength and performance. We then package them in durable, eco-friendly materials, whether shrink-wrapped for retail display or bulk-packed for wholesale orders, ensuring they withstand the toughest logistics challenges. Trusted by gardeners, landscapers, and industries worldwide, our hoses combine innovation with reliability. From backyard watering to large-scale irrigation, every detail is designed for efficiency and longevity. Experience the difference, where craftsmanship meets sustainability.